Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we're going to be continuing on with R2-D2. We have issue 18 right here, and we have some parts, quite a few more parts than we've gotten in previous issues, so hopefully this will be a really good one. Well, let's open it up and let's see what we got. So here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got two more of the dome frame pieces here, as well as a microphone mounting plate, projector housing, projector lens, and the microphone itself. So that's a little exciting. We're also going to need 4 long silver screws, 4 nuts, and 2 of the short black screws. And to begin, we're going to take the dome frame from previous issues, and we're just going to keep building out towards the right, just in this direction. I'm going to start with the larger dome frame piece. The circular opening is going to be towards the right and on the top when you fit this in place. It will be attached with 2 silver screws and 2 nuts, just like in previous issues. Yep, both of these areas have little posts that will help align it properly as well and keep it in place while you screw it in. Alright, once you have that dome piece fitted, we can move on to the next one. The circular opening is actually going to be on the top, and this bottom piece is going to extend out. So it's just going to fit in. Let's see, yes, we have 2 posts that will help keep it in place. Just lines right up, just like so. Same attachment as before. Alright, and that is the dome frame extensions completed. Looks like just a few more to go, and the dome frame will be ready. Moving on, we're going to assemble the microphone. So first, we're going to untwist this. And what we're going to do is extend the cable out. We're going to take the base here. We're just going to fit it through. Bear in mind, this is the end that's going to plug into some electronics down the road. So we're just going to fit that in, bring this all the way through, right up until the microphone is flush with the base. Just like that. And then we're going to cover it up with the lens. Also making sure that is flush with the base. And then the lens housing, projector housing, just like that. Line up the screw holes on the back, and those are going to be 2 short black silver screws. And there you have it. Microphone assembly is complete. This is cool. This is going to be for the voice commands and stuff. I mean, we can't use it for a while, but we know where it is and where it's housed now, so this is good. And that is the end of issue 18. And there you have it. Another day, another issue down. The dome is really starting to look great. Like I said, just got this open area here, and we'll be ready to start decorating, I guess, or putting on whatever comes next. And now we've got a microphone. I can't wait till we can plug this thing in and test it. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.